Built-in gaskets. Unmatched fuel cleansing performance. Quick, easy filter replacement. Highly durable and reliable. Reduces misinstallation of gaskets. Wix Spin-On Fuel Filters are designed to protect fuel system components and absorbs contaminants from gasoline vapor in the fuel. They have a built-in gasket which prevents leakage of the fuel under compression loads. These filters withstand minimum internal differential pressure of 75 psi. Top reviews from the United States. Fit as expected. Fit on my Bobcat T190. I had some water in the tank and this successfully separated and allowed me to drain about 1 pint of water over several days.